Welcome to Easy Driver. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more sensational videos on vehicles. This is a two-part video and this is part 1. In this video, we're diving into a critical decision every vehicle owner faces: nitrogen versus air for your tires. Let's get started on the road to better tire care. Nitrogen versus air. But which one is truly the best option? In this video post, we will explore the key differences between nitrogen and air, and help you make an informed decision for your tires. Understanding nitrogen and air. When it comes to filling our car tires, we often hear about two options: nitrogen and air. But what exactly are nitrogen and air, and what sets them apart? In this section, we will delve into the details of these two elements, giving you a clearer understanding of their properties and which one might be the right choice for your tires. Nitrogen is a chemical element that makes up about 78% of our atmosphere. It is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that exists in its pure form as a diatomic molecule, meaning it consists of two nitrogen atoms bonded together, N2. Nitrogen is widely used in various industries, including automotive applications. In the context of tire inflation, nitrogen is often touted for its ability to maintain tire pressure for a longer duration compared to air. This is due to its larger particle size, which is less prone to leakage through the tire's rubber pores, resulting in better pressure retention over time. Nitrogen is also less affected by temperature fluctuations, making it a more stable option for tire inflation. Air, on the other hand, is the mixture of gases that compose Earth's atmosphere. It primarily consists of nitrogen, around 78%, oxygen, around 21%, and trace amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor. When we refer to using air to inflate our tires, we are essentially talking about filling them with atmospheric air. While air is readily available and convenient to use, it is important to note that it contains varying levels of moisture and other contaminants, such as dust and oil particles. These impurities can affect tire performance and potentially lead to corrosion, especially in certain weather conditions or climates. In terms of pressure retention, air may not be as effective as nitrogen due to its smaller particle size, which can pass through the tire's rubber more easily. However, for everyday driving and normal tire maintenance, air remains a suitable option for most drivers. To summarize, nitrogen is a pure gas that offers better pressure retention and stability, while air is a mixture of gases readily available but may contain impurities. The choice between nitrogen and air ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences, as well as the driving conditions you encounter on a regular basis. Next, we will explore the benefits and considerations of using nitrogen for tire inflation in more detail. Stay tuned for the upcoming section. Pros and cons of nitrogen. Nitrogen is commonly used as an alternative to regular air for inflating tires. This section will explore the benefits and drawbacks of using nitrogen in your tires. Benefits of nitrogen in tires. Using nitrogen in your tires offers several advantages that can enhance your overall driving experience. 1. Maintains tire pressure. Nitrogen molecules are larger than oxygen molecules, resulting in slower permeation rates. This means that nitrogen-filled tires maintain their pressure for a longer time, reducing the need for frequent checks and top-ups. 2. Improved fuel efficiency. Properly inflated tires provide better fuel efficiency, and nitrogen helps to maintain the optimal tire pressure. By using nitrogen, you can potentially improve your gas mileage and save money in the long run. 3. Enhanced tire life. Nitrogen-filled tires experience less oxidation and corrosion compared to those filled with regular air. This can lead to a longer tire lifespan, ultimately saving you money on replacements. 4. Stable tire performance. Nitrogen offers more consistent pressure, especially when subjected to temperature changes. This stability ensures that the tires perform consistently, providing better handling, improved traction, and a smoother ride. Drawbacks of nitrogen in tires. While nitrogen has its benefits, there are a few drawbacks that you should consider before deciding to use it in your tires. 1. Cost considerations. Nitrogen inflation usually comes at an additional cost compared to filling tires with regular air. Depending on where you go, the price may vary, and you need to weigh the benefits against the cost. 2. Accessibility and convenience. It may not always be easy to find a nitrogen filling station, especially in remote areas. Additionally, if you encounter a tire issue on the road, finding a place that offers nitrogen may be more challenging than finding a regular air source. 3. Limited DIY options. Nitrogen filling typically requires specialized equipment, making it difficult for individuals to inflate their tires at home. This lack of accessibility may be inconvenient for those who prefer to maintain their tires themselves. 4. Minimal performance difference. While nitrogen can offer some benefits, the difference in tire performance between nitrogen-filled and air-filled tires may not be significant for everyday driving. The advantages may be more noticeable in specific situations or for high-performance vehicles. Considering these pros and cons will help you make an informed decision when it comes to choosing between nitrogen and regular air for your tires. Pros and cons of AIR. When it comes to choosing the right type of inflation for your tires, one popular option is air. While it may seem like the default choice, it's important to consider the pros and cons of using air in your tires. In this section, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of using air as the inflation medium for your tires. Benefits of air in tires. Air has long been the traditional choice for inflating tires, and for good reason. Here are some of the key benefits of using air in your tires. 1. Readily available. Air is easily accessible at most gas stations, making it convenient for inflation purposes. You don't need any special equipment or additional materials to inflate your tires with air. 2. Cost-effective. Air is free or available at a minimal cost in most places. Unlike other alternatives, such as nitrogen, air won't put a dent in your wallet when it comes to inflating your tires. 3. Effective heat dissipation. Air has a relatively high specific heat capacity, meaning it can absorb and dissipate heat efficiently. This property helps prevent tire overheating during prolonged drives, contributing to overall safety. 4. Widely accepted. Air inflation is a standard practice, and most mechanics and tire shops are equipped to handle and service air-filled tires. This widespread acceptance ensures that you can easily find assistance when needed. Drawbacks of air in tires. While air has its advantages, there are also some drawbacks to consider. 1. Tire pressure fluctuations. Air-filled tires are more susceptible to pressure changes due to various factors such as temperature fluctuations and time. Regular maintenance and monitoring of tire pressure are necessary to ensure optimal performance. 2. Increased tire aging. Air contains moisture, and over time, this moisture can lead to corrosion and deterioration of the inner components of the tire, such as the rim and valve stem. This can contribute to premature aging and potential safety hazards. 3. Permeability. Air can slowly escape through the tire rubber over time, causing gradual pressure loss. This means you may need to check and adjust the pressure more frequently compared to nitrogen-filled tires. 4. Limited benefits in performance. While air inflation is suitable for general driving conditions, it may not offer the same performance advantages as nitrogen under specific circumstances such as extreme temperatures or high-performance driving. In conclusion, air-filled tires have their advantages in terms of accessibility, cost-effectiveness, and heat dissipation. However, they also come with drawbacks such as pressure fluctuations, increased aging, permeability, and limited performance benefits. It's important to weigh these factors against your specific needs and driving conditions before making a decision on the type of inflation to use in your tires. Performance and safety factors. When it comes to choosing between nitrogen and air for your tires, there are several performance and safety factors to consider. Let's delve into each of these factors to help you make an informed decision. Tire pressure stability. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for optimal performance and safety. Nitrogen has a significant advantage over air in this aspect. Nitrogen molecules are larger and less prone to escaping through the rubber compared to oxygen molecules in regular air. As a result, tires filled with nitrogen tend to have more stable pressure over time, reducing the need for frequent adjustments. Moisture and corrosion. One of the key drawbacks of using compressed air in tires is the presence of moisture. Air contains a certain amount of water vapor, which can accumulate and cause corrosion inside the tire over time. On the other hand, nitrogen is a dry gas that helps minimize moisture-related issues. By filling your tires with nitrogen, you can mitigate the risk of corrosion and prolong the lifespan of your tires. Thank you for joining us in part 1 of our exploration of nitrogen versus air for your tires. In part 2, we'll delve even deeper into this important topic, so stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more expert insights on tire care and automotive tips. Until next time, drive safely and keep those tires rolling smoothly. Thank you for watching.